you'll look, this water where it's running, the outlet, look what's sitting there. Looks like a barge, maybe? Tugboats? Stopping the water from flowing, maybe? I don't know, unless it curves down there. You see how fast it's trying to move. And we'll come back around. Show you where this goes. Water I was showing you a while ago that was running so fast and had rapids coming off of the lake and off the Sandy Center River over there in the bottoms. And across the street. Across the bridge. You see how rapidly it's moving, how fast. And that's the only place it's going is down that waterway. All that water from where it's flooded under the I-10 overpass is coming here. See that palm tree down there? That's where all the water's coming from, the overpass that's flooded. All this water is coming from the lake. And over in the bottoms where it's flooded. And over by Riverside Inn where it's flooded. You see the rapids over there. It's coming over here and flooding this little pool and then coming under this bridge and going down there to where it looks like it's being stalemated by a freaking barge. I don't know. It should go there and go into the ship channel. You got me. It seems like they would want to free this up to where it would go out faster instead of flooding the neighborhood.